Good morning, kids. Teacher Shah here. Another day, another lesson. Hello, everyone. Last time we discussed about your two eyes and your one nose. Again, bakit daw importante na meron tayong two eyes? Kasi yung eyes, yung nagbibigay sa atin para tayo ay makakita or makita natin yung paligid natin. And our nose help us to smell objects na malapit sa atin. Kung ito ay pleasant, mabango, and kung ito is mabaho. Like that. Okay, for our review, on your book, do page 32. Makikita nyo sa picture, di ba meron tayo dyang soap, we have shampoo, trash, yung smoke galing sa car, a perfume, flower, a rotten banana, ayan, smoke sa mga houses, and also cologne. Okay, check the objects that have pleasant smell, yung mabango, and then cross out if it is have unpleasant smell. Okay, kids, get your book. Pwede pong magpa-help kay Mami. Pero again, kayo po ang magagawa. As lang, Mami, kung correct or tama yung ginagawa, ha? Okay, when you're done, we're going to proceed on our next lesson. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Okay, on lesson 6, our lesson is about my ears. Ayan. Patingin daw ng inyong mga ears. Nasaan ba ang ears ng mga nursery? Okay, we have, ilang ears meron tayo? We have two ears. Kapit. This one. And also this one. Taas nga ang kamay ng may ears. Okay, good job. Very good. Lahat po tayo ay merong ears because our two ears help us listen to the different sounds that are loud and soft. Katulad na lang ng mga nasa paligid natin, di ba? Pag may naririnig tayo ng maingay, tapos nakakarinig din tayo ng mga soft or yung mga mahihinang sound. May papakita si teacher siya sa inyo ng mga picture at titignan natin kung ito ay maingay or mahina. Is it loud sound or soft sound? Okay, this one. Ano to mga nasa picture? We have very good. We have helicopter. We also have ambulance and a fire truck. Okay. Paano ba natin malalaman kapag paparating na o papunta na yung fire truck? 'Di ba kasi yung sound niya or yung siren niya is very loud, sobrang lakas. Also the ambulance. Next one naman, how about this one kaya? Ayan, we have here bird. Meron tayo ditong water dripping at yung nagwi-whisper or yung bumubulong. Sige nga, kayo nga, gayahin nyo yung pagbulong, pag-whisper, like para lang kino-cover ang inyong mouth. Kasi dapat very smooth or mahina lang ang sound. Also, pag nagdi-drip yung water from the faucet, diba, hindi naman siya sobrang lakas. Mahina lang na tumutulo yung water. Kayo ba kids, anong sounds yung gusto nyo? Is it loud sound or yung soft sound? Sino sa inyo ang gusto ng loud? Yung sobrang ingay, yung masakit na sa ears. At sino naman yung gusto ng soft sound lang? Yung parang nakaka-relax lang, hindi naririndi yung ears. Later, I'm going to show you some videos pa na nagpapakita ng mga soft and loud sound. Now, activity time on your science book, do page 37 to 38. Sabi doon, check out pictures of the objects that produce or make soft sound and then cross out yung mga pictures na nagpapakita ng loud sounds. Again, take a photo of you doing activity. Then the last one is taking care of your ear. Para po ma-protect natin ang ating ear, kailangan natin siyang i-cover kapag meron tayong maririnig na sobrang lakas na sound para hindi siya sumakit or maka-affect sa ating ears. Next one, tignan nyo, nililinis ng mommy ang ears. Only mommy lang or daddy ang pwedeng mag-clean ng inyong ears. And always, wag na wag maglalagay ng mga sharp objects sa inyong ears like pencil, metal, And lastly, check or magpunta sa doctors kung sumasakit ang ears para malaman po natin ang dapat gawin. Okay, nursery again. How many ears do we have? We have two ears. Saan ginagamit ang ears? Para makarinig ng mga sounds. Kung ito ba ay soft or loud sounds. That's all for today. Thank you. God bless.